Alright, so Miss Pumpernickel has been moving her puppies all over in the woods and everything, so we've moved her into this very large area all by herself. So hopefully she can find a happy spot. And I see we have some little babies in here. She's decided that this is the spot. Hi, Mama! She's right under me. Oh, I wanted to see your little babies. I'd have to go and tear down the burdock in the back, so I don't want to ruin their shade. Their eyes are starting to open.
We can get them from the other side too.
That's okay. I'll zoom in. I don't want to bug them too much. It's warm and Mommy's excited.
You want to see how fat they are?
I do want to see how fat they are. Alright, going around. Mom's popping out the side. I'll zoom out.
Here's one little fat one.
Oh.
They got fat belly.
Hi, cute little fat baby. How are you doing? Very blue-ticked little baby. Little baby girl. Hi, lovey.
Fat as a tick.
Here, I'll give you this one back.
Aww.
You got them?
Yep.
There. They're doing amazing. They're beautiful little babies. Really fat little babies. They're nice and cool in there, so